तो राजेश जी जो इनने बात बोली है ना, हाइट रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, क्योंकि जो मैंने मैप देखा है, द शोर लाइन इज प्रीटी लॉन्ग, सो व्हाट आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट everyone can have a sea view.
Absolutely.
जिसके लिए
Absolutely.
कोलाबा में लोग डबल फिगर्स देते हैं, इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में everyone will have a, I think, amazing view to this. भी आप कौन से भी फ्लोर में हैं?
Yes.
Is it?
Absolutely correct. In fact, on a good sunny day in the summer, you can actually see Gateway of India from there.
What are you saying?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not exaggerating.
Right, okay.
Anyone can come to my project and I'll take you to the terrace and you know that is, I'll not have to tell you that is the Gateway of India.
Yeah.
You can see it on your own and without any binoculars, by the way. So, seashore is huge. Almost every building from there, you can see you can have the sea view. In fact, we sell our product as sea view product. People want to, when they come in the project, there are two kinds of views. One is the podium view and one is the sea view.
Yeah.
And they want to get, people from Bombay, they'll always want, nahi, mujhe to sea view wala chahiye instead of the podium view. So both the worlds we are happy. Bombay guys take the sea view and the regular.
I think it's so good to be true that because the way you're telling me, it makes me also as an interest.
Not only that, you'll see the entire MTHN.
Nice.
There is on one side there is sea view, on the other, only 80 degrees on the left.
It's like how Bandra se loko ceiling dikta hai. You're making Dronagiri sound like where you will get all kind of
views.
That's so interesting.
Go to the terrace and you get all kind. Of course, if you are on the 16th floor or 18th floor, there also one view you will get, not both.
Otherwise, mountain as is
mountain views.
Nice. Okay.
Shore is not sea shore, which we say that sand shore. That is not visible.
Of course. That's down.
But
yeah.
Sea view, of course, it's a huge sea view. And now, when we are also having a plan of coastal road, the government of Maharashtra. So, if the coastal road is being made, which will take you straight to Alibag. So, you don't need to go all the way down and then come back. You go straight to Alibag from Dronagiri. So that is also in the offing. So I see a lot of, people coming up, whatever possession we have given. People say, I don't know whether to call it a first home or a second home or a luxury home. People are so happy. Whoever are. And the other thing is, there's already 2,000 families which have shifted, more than 2,000 families which have shifted. And they are enjoying, every facility is there. Be it, ST buses or BST, not BST, ST buses or NMMT buses, or be it auto rickshaws and other things. So, it's not a ghost city. It's a city in which people have already decided to come in and stay, whether on ownerships or on rent. People have taken, from us, people who are investors have seen the horizon. That yes, 10-year horizon, and you'll get a huge multiplication in your investment. That is what they have prompted. One flat. ये मेरी बेटी के लिए मुझे लेना है और रखना है.
Nice.
और उस टाइम तक मैं रेंट पे चढ़ाऊंगा तो मेरे बाकी सब खर्चे निकल जाएंगे, EMI वगैरह. Some part of it at least. So that is why people are flocking over there. थोड़ा सा एक कोविड के वजह से और उसके बाद थोड़ा सा स्टैग्नेशन आया था, but now people are definitely seeing value. And ट्रैकिंग के लिए आपके पास माउंटेन है, सी शोर पे जाने के लिए. See, one of the things,
fort also, right?
The fort.
Yeah.
There is one of the things that is much in demand in New Bombay, but it is not much available. Apart from the parks, is places where you can go and spend time with your family without paying to. अगर आप मॉल में चले जाओगे तो आपका जेब कट जाता है. But if you go to the seashore, 20 रुपए का आपने चना कुरकुरा लिया, and you can spend the entire evening over there without getting into your putting your hand into your pocket. Similarly, in the mountains, if you go there in the morning, come back by afternoon, it's a good trek. Saturday, Sunday, we see a lot of people going there. So, and it's very easy, 10 minutes and you're there. Even for the seashore, 12 minutes आप scooter पे आप उधर आ गए. Hardly 4 kilometers.
You have already given title for this video. You had me at seashore. वो जो sea view के लिए जो जनता हम सब लोग as a Mumbaiker, I've also checked in Kolaba or Bihar, जहाँ दूर से भी दिखाते हैं कि आपको sea दिखेगा in clear sky where you're paying like 20 CR for just 2 BHK, a small apartment. This is something I'm sure even the viewers would be interested to know and see Dronagiri, because as I said, you had me at sea view. Like, this is what everyone wants. But I want to know now, it interests me and I'm curious to know from all three of you that connectivity तो अभी हुआ है, right? आपने कैसे visualize किया कि this is the place you want to invest, you want to bring projects in? Because for that, it needs a huge risk appetite, right? Because government change भी हो सकती है, कुछ ना कुछ नए policies आ सकते हैं, anything, it's quite risky. What did you see in Dronagiri that I would say attracted you and captivated you to take that huge risk?
For me?
Yeah.
So, what we saw is the raw material there was very clean and clear. Unlike some other nodes, the plots out there, which is our raw material, the land, was very clear title. The farmers over there were very straightforward. They used to not double sell and do things which were not very good for the business. So first of all, the clarity, title clearance of the plot was extremely good. Secondly, the node was very big. It is still a very big node. Reliance had already invested, so we knew that it's going to be one of the best nodes. Connectivity to abhi aaya hai, but as you say, we were already knowing that there is going to be a connectivity because railways were announced 2019 mein aa jayenge. There was already speed boats which were traveling from Mora Jetty to South Bombay. Even now they are jetting every 30 minutes.
Yeah.
In 30 minutes you are in Bombay. ट्रेन आने वाला था वो तो हमें पता था. रेलवे एयरपोर्ट तो ऑफ कोर्स इट इज फॉर द एंटायर सिटी. रोड्स वर ऑलरेडी देयर. they were in a narrower version, but there was always a plan to have a expansion of the road network. So given that, we also research a lot before going into a new node, and we find that this area will definitely command a good price and a good sale because of these four conditions of connectivity, but also because of the job opportunities. So these are the things which attracted us to take good plots. I've got one of the biggest plots in there. It is a big plot as you compare it with Navi Mumbai. And we have built luxury homes in that. And we have got good traction, almost ready for possession.
Then didn't you face any challenges before? You must have faced challenges, right? To attract that kind of audience.
As I said,
especially for premium homes.
Yeah, premium homes, that is what I was saying, that I was coming to. That we had a certain, price point at which we were to sell, because premium homes have a lot of construction costs involved.
Yeah.
So we couldn't come down to a particular point, but that's why we went abroad. We sold in Dubai, we sold in US, we sold, in Bombay. We had we attended exhibitions all across, and we got a good traction. And I think we are almost nearing full sale for the project which we have already delivered. In that we have phases. So the phases which we have delivered is already fully sold. So there is quite a bit of demand for luxury homes in the Dronagiri also, especially people coming from outside Dronagiri. They want that kind of a product.
Nice.
See, people who are seeing future, they are opting for luxury homes in Dronagiri.
Nice.
And I'm sure quite other builders also have started luxury homes in Dronagiri.
So I'll come to you first. What made you interested in Dronagiri? Like, आपने भी of course connectivity आपको भी पता होगा, plan था, but it's a risk, right? The risk
Yeah.
you were taking.
In addition to what sir has said, the one more most important thing was its proximity to Uran. So, Uran is a taluka place and it's a historically बहुत पुराना वो town है. तो आप अगर देखोगे तो कोई भी टाउन जहाँ पे बहुत टाइम से इट्स अ फुल्ली डेवलप्ड टाउन और उसके आसपास का एरिया अगर कुछ नहीं भी आएगा तो वो डेवलप होना ही है. सो गिवन ऑल दैट रिस्क, कनेक्टिविटी आएगा नहीं आएगा, बट इट वाज इन क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी टू उरन. उरन इज जस्ट 2.5 किलोमीटर्स. सो अगर ये कुछ नहीं भी आता तो देयर इज अ लोकल डिमांड विच इज ऑलवेज देयर. बट फॉर्चुनेटली वी हैव बीन गुड, गवर्नमेंट ने इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स लेके आए, प्लस द पोर्ट ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल था एंड इट वाज पोर्ट्रेड इनिशियल डेज से कि इट वुड बी द बिगेस्ट पोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया.
Yeah.
So this were the two factors in addition to what sir had said.
And did you face any challenges?
So my project has just started a year, I think 6 months ago, and it's just in the initial stages. Right now we don't have any challenges and we have a good inquiries coming in. We have already started selling our flats and we have got a good response also on that.
So your window was at the right timing because
Yeah.
MTHL abhi khula and your construction started. So I'm sure it's gonna get a lot of more inquiries and bookings because of this connectivity, right?
Sure. We have started in last September. We were selling our 1 BHK was around 35, 37, 38 lakhs. We have now started selling it for 46, 47 lakhs.
Nice. Such a jump came after MTHL.
Yes, definitely.
Right away.
Right away.
Wow. Because हम सुनते हैं कि 20% बढ़ा है, MTHL खुला है. We always think कि okay, it's just a clickbait. It's a way to create news. But now hearing it from you that within just opening of the MTHL, it created that huge impact is quite good to know
So there are
that.
two factors, MTHL and the
Yeah.
local train which has started.
Right.
Both these factors have contributed
Okay.
for the price
Nice.
increase.
What about you?
See, for me, Dronagiri I have chosen as a destination to start because when we are working in Ulve in 2009 or 10, that time Ulve were in the early stage. No infrastructure has been developed in that area. So we have constructed, we have built our projects over there, and we have get it ready by 2012-13. But in that time only, the name Dronagiri has come up by the CIDCO. So being a CIDCO node, as majorly we are the Navi Mumbai developer who is working in the CIDCO, they mostly prefer to develop in the CIDCO area only. So after Ulve, what will be the next, right? So Dronagiri has come the name from the CIDCO. So we have been there, and so being there, we have seen the land, the way they have ready with their land parcel. CIDCO have already ready with their land parcel that the area is going to come. So we have seen that and we have decided कि भाई चलो यहाँ पे अभी काम करना, फ्यूचर यहाँ का मार्केट है. विद द JNPT का जो पोर्ट का इंडिया का एज अ लार्जेस्ट पोर्ट है वहाँ पे, वो फिर ONGC हो गया, फिर नेवी का सेटअप है. वन ऑफ द मेन थिंग इज उरन. वाई पनवेल का सिडको का एरिया डेवलप होने का रीज़न था पनवेल, राइट. पनवेल आज जैसे एक पनवेल पहले एक विलेज था, वो आज देखेंगे तो एक अच्छा खासा सिटी हो गया, राइट. तो उरन भी वैसा ही एक विलेज है, वो तालुका हो गया, मतलब तालुका है, लाइक पनवेल जैसा तालुका है. तो उसको आई थिंक मोर देन 100 विलेज कनेक्ट होते हैं. सो उसकी जो पॉपुलेशन, उसकी जो बोलते एक रिक्वायरमेंट है वहाँ के एरिया के हिसाब से, वो काफ़ी मुझे लग रहा था कि ये मार्केट 100% ऊपर आएगा, यहाँ पे लोग आएंगे. फिर हमारे पास उसके जो प्लान से, जैसे कि रेलवे जो उल्वे तक हम लोग उल्वे काम कर रहे थे, तो उल्वे का तभी एक्सटेंड हमको पता था कि वो रेलवे उरन तक जाने वाली है. सो उल्वे के बाद उरन इज़ द नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन. सो वो ट्रेन आने वाली, रेलवे कनेक्टिविटी और रोड कनेक्टिविटी का जो प्लान था, वो एक एरिया को काफ़ी अच्छा शेप दे देता है. जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया, कनेक्टिविटी इज़ द स्पाइन फॉर एनी एरिया टू डेवलप. सो वो एक अच्छी कनेक्टिविटी पहले हमारे ध्यान में थी. सो दैट हेल्प कि भाई चलो ये एरिया भी डेवलप होने वाला है, तो वी शुड गो एंड वर्क दैट. और फिर वो एरिया में काम करने के बाद जब भी हमने 2014 में पहला प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट किया, आई थिंक 13 एंड और 14 में, we have constructed till now more than 20 projects in Dronagiri, or we have delivered with the occupancy, and people are and every procedure we have completed in the particular projects. सो हमने जब 2014 में पहला प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट किया तभी देयर वाज नो रोड इन द्रोणागिरी. सिडको हैज गिवन द लैंड बट उनका जो रास्ता था वो कच्चा रास्ता रहता है जो इनिशियल हर नोड में वैसा होता है. बट इन 2-3 years later on they are ready with the road and infrastructure. Each and every one can reach their plot easily. जो अदर नोड में नहीं था. जो हमको काफ़ी चैलेंज आती थी अदर नोड में, जैसे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बाद में रेडी होता था, हम प्रोजेक्ट्स पहले रेडी कर देते थे. बिकॉज ऑफ द न्यू नोड हमको ऐसा चैलेंज आता था कि हम लोग बिल्डिंग रेडी करते तो पीपल विल नॉट ऑप्ट टू रिसाइड इमीडिएटली. बट यहाँ पे वो चीज़ चेंज हो गई. 16-17 में सिडको ने जो रोड और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर रेडी किया वो हिसाब से लोग आज बिल्डिंग रेडी हो गए तो लोग रहने आ गए. सो हम लोग डे बाय डे उसका ईयर ऑन ईयर उसका इम्प्रूवमेंट देख रहे थे. So 2019 में post COVID we were selling at say 1 BHK around 28-30 lakhs, right? Post COVID. Pre COVID. Post COVID it will go around 40-45 lakhs.
1 BHK.
Yes, 1 BHK. Right now if you see in G+7 wala building it will go around 40-42 lakhs. And in G+ tower के जो projects होते हैं lifestyle projects you can say, और तो उसमें आज 50 lakhs के आसपास 1 BHK which is huge you can say the increment. बाकी नोड के हिसाब से. सो ये प्राइस एप्रिसिएशन हम देख रहे थे. तो प्राइस एप्रिसिएशन हमको डे 1 से दिखा है बिकॉज हमने वहाँ पे काम किया इसलिए नहीं. बट ऐसा नहीं कि मैं काम कर रहा हूँ इसलिए प्राइस एप्रिसिएशन के लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. बट लोगों ने भी वो चीज़ देखी है. जो लोग ने 1 BHK पहले छोटे बिल्डिंग में ले रहा था जो रीसेल करके उसमें से प्रॉफिट कमा के इज री इन्वेस्टिंग इन 2 BHK. सो दैट इज़ अ रियली ए गुड थिंग. मतलब कोई बंदा वहाँ का ही लेके वो ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि भी मुझे यहाँ से बेच के अलग नोड में जाना है, वहाँ पे वो री इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है. सो कोई एरिया में वहाँ का री इन्वेस्टमेंट चालू हो जाता है तो वो एरिया का एक ग्रोथ होता है.
ट्रू.
दैट्स वाई पीपल आर एक्सेप्टिंग, मतलब पीपल आर एक्सेप्टिंग दैट एरिया कि यहाँ पे ग्रोथ है और आने वाले टाइम में और ग्रोथ है. सो और बायर मार्केट वहाँ के काफ़ी अच्छा था. आज जितने भी बिल्डिंग वहाँ पे रेडी है जिसकी OCI आई थिंक देर आर वेरी लेस अनसोल्ड यूनिट यू कैन से. मतलब प्रोजेक्ट रेडी हो रहे हैं OC आ रहे हैं तो सेल काफ़ी अच्छा था पहले से. सो दैट इज़ अगेन ए पुश पॉइंट फॉर एनी डेवलपर्स कि चलो एक सेल मिल रहा है वहाँ पे. सो सेल होता है तो ऑटोमेटिक लोग रहने आ जाते हैं वहाँ पे ऐसा. सो फॉर मी द्रोणागिरी इज़ बिंग अ वंडरफुल डेस्टिनेशन देन अदर नोड. मुझे ऐसा लगता है because of the main thing I'm repeating, because of the connectivity, the spine of any node.
No, I agree, and that's why I said after this I will try to check the place out because he had me at Sea View and you had me at connectivity. So I would also like viewers who are staying near Bombay to have a look at Dronagiri because the more I get to know about it, I have so many questions, but due to limited time, I'll ask last 2 questions. First is, where do you feel the government should bring more initiatives, or where do they should work on in terms of factors that can help the Dronagiri as a city to become an urban development city? We'll start with you.
So I think government must have been waiting for some infrastructure projects to start. They already delivered the 12 road connectivity highways leading up to Dronagiri. They have also expanded JNPT to a certain extent, and the train has come. Now I think government of Maharashtra through SIDCO will come up with tenders for commercial plots. They already had one tender, but that was at a very wrong time, so not much traction. But now whatever tender comes, that government will definitely bring, and we will see. So we are hoping that some tenders come in, not only for commercial but commercial come residential. When tenders come in, then as you rightly said, that where is Dronagiri will not be a question anymore.
Yeah.
The entire world will come and invest in Dronagiri. Secondly, we expect government to come up with parks, which they are already, contemplating. Either a logistic park or some other park like jewelry park or something like that. The SIDCO has its own methodology by doing this.
Hmm.
Marble market
Hmm.
is there in Kharghar.
Yeah.
Similar marble market or some market will definitely be,
Hmm.
because be planned and be executed. There are various associations like the Association of Marble, traders,
Hmm.
logistic park traders, which are already in touch with CIDCO to give them to give their members land where they can, put up these warehouses or
Hmm.
their own centers at fixed rate. So that will be on for only for their members and on first come first serve basis or on lottery if there is too much of. So that is something which we are expecting government to do.
Hmm.
And also, there are certain infrastructure developments like the STP, which is under the on the making, and other areas where we feel that if it is augmented, if it is done faster, it will help the node. So infrastructure, of course, is the infrastructure at present is fantastic in Dronagiri, but it can be also upgraded and it can be taken to other sectors of Dronagiri, which will also develop in due course of time. So these are the 3-4 things which, if the government does well, it will help boost the Dronagiri market.
True. So, Vaibhav, what are your key pointers which you feel where government should take the initiative to bring Dronagiri not just over the map, but also become an urban city, well-planned city, and as he also said, become part of everyone's conversation?
As per my view, I think that government should come up with a good university kind of thing or a very big educational institution,
Right.
which will help augment more population, and that growth would be much more faster. So if there is a very big institute, and because land is very easily available, it's with CIDCO. If they give a big brand, a big educational brand is allocated a land, or something of that kind happens, a big educational hub comes in, it would definitely be a very positive impact on this sector.
And what about you?
Well, I think as sir said, one is the tender. The tender is which is much awaited for this Dronagiri node. The government should come up with the tender process so that the maximum developers or the big brands will come. And again, the logistic park or the business development which are CIDCO is in plan, so that has to be pushed more faster. So more the business will come, more the area will get highlighted or developed.
True.
So कोई आदमी नौकरी के लिए और जॉब के लिए और बिजनेस के लिए वहाँ पे आता है, तो for them what is the residence nearby or what is the area which their employee or the employers that can reside. For them, Dronagiri is one of the, you can say, the smart city type area. So the government projects of logistic and has to be pushed more so that area will be highlighted.
See, if I can add something, already CIDCO has earmarked plots for social service sector. In all nodes, they have these plots. They have school plots, they have hospital plots, and they have, plots for religious places and all. I think it's high time that CIDCO comes up with tenders for those plots also, because now almost more than 2,400 families have shifted to Dronagiri. Of course, there is a JNPT school, there are other schools also. But it will be worthwhile if there are, plots which are given on tender for education, right? If not a university, at least a school plots. And these, corporate schools, they can set up shop there and they'll get good traction. So
Right.
also hospitals. I think CIDCO has already announced a 100-bed hospital with the government of India chipping in, and it will be a charity hospital. That is what in general how the government hospitals work. So that is also in the offing. It is already announced, and they will be coming up within a year or two in Dronagiri. So so these two social service sector plots are also much required now, that CIDCO comes up with tender for these plots.
So even government schools like Kendra Vidyalaya should also
Be there. Yeah,
Got
yeah. Because now people are shifting, and if they take the tender now, bring out the tender now or auction, and then it will take a couple of years for them to set up shop. And till that time, there will be almost more than 5,000 families residing in the Dronagiri, and there will definitely be a big demand for such schools.
And again, I think tourism, the one thing that government can develop more.
Yes.
Like abhi Uran beach hai. Uran beach is there, which is a wonderful beach. So some beautification.
even a luxury resort should come there.
Yes. It's there are many land which is close to the Uran beach, which is many, I think, like अपने गोवा के बीच के बाजू में जो रिसोर्ट टाइप फील वाला है, so there are possibility of that also, which government should come and push कि भाई अलर्ट करो और इनको then give some benefits to develop, so that develop the tourism. Because आज समझो मुझे as a न्यू मुंबईकर, I stay in न्यू मुंबई, so न्यू मुंबई के मुझे समझो कोई बीच साइड कभी जाना है, so I have to go long to one zoo and all, right? So that will again take time for me. और वो जाना सोचना ही मेरे लिए मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि वो गलती है because of the time. So being a उरन बीच, वहाँ पे वो डेवलपमेंट वगैरह वो ले गया है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा एक टूरिज्म ओके मतलब एक बोलते एक एवरी समझो डे किसी को विजिट सिंगल डे ट्रिप भी करना है, सो पीपल कैन गो अगेन द्रोणागिरी फोर्ट. सो एक अच्छा एक टूरिज्म वो हिसाब से डेवलप कर सकते हैं.
Definitely.
और ये जो अलीबाग वाला जो कनेक्टिविटी है, that government is already passed their tender and everything, I think process more or less completed. वो एक फास्ट डेवलप हो जाएगा तो you can reach अलीबाग also, which is again a holiday destination. So अगर समझो द्रोणागिरी में कोई रह रहा है तो उसके लिए अलीबाग जाना फिर हार्डली 20 मिनट्स का या 25 मिनट्स का आई थिंक टाइम रहेगा, राइट? सो दैट विल अगेन बूस्ट द एरिया कि भाई चलो अलीबाग भी नज़दीक है, तो मतलब वहाँ से किसी को हॉलीडे के लिए जाना है तो इजीली जा सकता है ऐसा. सो दिस आर द टूरिज्म दैट कैन गवर्नमेंट शुड लुक इनटू दैट, और उसको डेवलप करने के लिए पुश करना चाहिए उन्होंने.
So lands are available for personal farmhouses and all also, like how in Alibag it is?
Yes, people are buying. There are in nearby
Plotted developments, if I
Not as such in Dronagiri.
Okay.
But outside
in Uran
area,
area,
can
yes.
get it.
Nice. Okay. So I'm pretty sold. I am sure our viewers would also love to check. The last question to me, and with this we'll wrap up, is to tell viewers why do you like Dronagiri and how would you explain Dronagiri in 3-4 lines? Let's start with you.
Dronagiri is a city waiting to explode. And I just saw in your one of your wall, it's go the extra mile, it's never too crowded. Somewhere I saw it written.
Yeah.
So I would urge your viewers to go that extra mile, not on the road, but at least on the internet, and check out Dronagiri. I'm sure you will find a lot of things very, very good in Dronagiri, and which will attract you. One of the things is the price point. If you see, this is South Navi Mumbai, that is South Mumbai. Just check out the price difference and you'll be sold to Dronagiri.
Nicely put. Coming to you.
So for me, it is the price and only price, as sir has rightly pointed. कि अभी बहुत start में है. It is a long way to go, and I think it is going to multiply. It's not going to add, it's going to multiply. So that makes me.
For me, it's a place where why should one has to invest is because job employment है, connectivity है, infrastructure है. So these are the thing. कोई भी इन्वेस्टमेंट को एक ग्रो करने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड होता है, राइट? ROI यू कैन से. अगर समझो वो सारी चीज़ें हैं, और कोई भी इन्वेस्टमेंट कभी भी कोई भी फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट पे किया जाता है. व्हेन इट इज़ रेडी दैट, तो आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट पे रिटर्न नहीं दिखेंगे इफ़ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन रेडी एरिया. लाइक अभी आज मुझे कोई रेडी एरिया में जाना है तो मुझे आई हैव टू पे फॉर दैट, बट व्हेन इट्स टू कम टू इन्वेस्टमेंट, मुझे वो फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट के साथ जाना है. सो देयर आर मैनी फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट इज देयर विच बूस्ट द प्राइस ऑफ Dronagiri and have a good ROI on that. So आज एक अच्छा प्राइस मिल रहा है, वो प्राइस में आप इन्वेस्ट करके आप अच्छा एक ग्रोथ एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, राइट? इफ़ यू से ना, अगर एक नॉर्मल आदमी को उसका सैलरी जितना अर्न करके देता है ना उसकी ज़िंदगी में, मेरा ये मानना है प्रॉपर्टी को लेके, वो जो सैलरी अर्न करता है उसका एक प्रॉपर्टी इन्वेस्ट करेगा ना, उसका प्रॉपर्टी उससे ज़्यादा अर्न करता है. सो इफ़ यू हैव अ फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया, सो वो इन्वेस्टमेंट उसको जो रिटर्न देता है ना, वो उसके लाइफ टाइम का सैलरी कभी कभी रिटर्न देता है.
True.
सो वो चीज़ वहाँ पे पॉसिबल है. सो वन शुड विजिट एंड वन शुड डेफिनेटली इन्वेस्ट इन द्रोणागिरी. वो पोटेंशियल है जो उसको उतना ग्रोथ देगा ऐसा.
Nice, nice. Well put by all. CA answer was very crisp. Price, it's very important. And as you said, ROI, and sir, you went with the creative angle, which I'm sure will capture all kind of audience to visit Dronagiri. And thank you so much for coming today. As I told, I'm quite sold to see how Dronagiri is, and I feel you guys will one of the important people down the line who will define Dronagiri. Like in Mumbai, as we say, Powai is defined by Niranjan sir. I think down the line, I'm sure all three of you guys will be defining Dronagiri to a certain different level, and I wish you good luck for that.
You're most welcome to come to Dronagiri. We'll be very happy to host
Host you.
Definitely,
and show you around.
Yes.
definitely. Thank you so much. Thank you.